Hello everyone, this is Liridon from Switzerland, Canton Aargau. I've recently started my own company and I've been looking for another company partner to design my first packaging with. And I'm very happy to tell you that I found a good company, professional company in Dongguan, Guangdong, China. The company name is Dongguan Zhongkai Packing Products Limited. I've been working together with Mila. She's very professional, very helpful. We found a solution straight away. I want to show you the results. This is my first packaging design. I'm very happy with it. I've received exactly what I asked for. You can see this is a very clear, simple design. That's exactly how I wanted it to be. This kind is a matchbox. The company offers many different kinds of boxes and packagings, and you can tell it's very high quality, and I can't wait to sell my product in them. And as far as logistics is concerned, you can see I've received 2 big boxes. Everything is packed very nicely. Nothing is damaged. Yeah, it's arrived totally fine. And yeah, that's it basically. I can't wait to work with this company again, and yeah, thank you. Bye.